Hi everyone, welcome to channel. In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix collaboration option not showing on your Instagram. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Hey guys, now if you don't have a collaboration option on your Instagram, maybe you need to try out a couple of things. The first thing is you need to check out your account private or not. Let's check out if your account is private, so you cannot fix collaboration option problem on your Instagram. How you can see your account is private or not. So first of all, you need to click on your profile. Here you can simply click here on three lines, and simply you can click on settings option. Here you can see the privacy option. Click on privacy, and you can see the there here is a private account option. Okay, if your account is private, so this is toggle on. If your account is public, so this is off. Okay, if your account is private, so you cannot fix collaboration option not showing on your Instagram. The first thing is you need to public your account. You need to switch your account to public. Okay, and after that you can simply close your Instagram and refresh your Instagram application. Let's suppose I'm gonna refresh this channel, refresh my Instagram. After doing this setting, your problem will be solved and you can see the collaboration option on your Instagram. If this thing cannot work, you need to try out second thing, which is you need to report this thing to the Instagram team. So how you can report? Let's get started. So how you can report your problem to the Instagram team if you don't have a collaboration option? So you can select random image and click here to upload on Instagram. After doing, for example, I'm select this image and simply click here. You can and click here. Simply you can click on tag people, and here you can see the we don't have a collaboration option. So how we can report? Simply you can shake your mobile phone just like this, and you can see the report problem. Simply click here on report problem. Here you can include and continuous. It's gonna take automatically screenshot on your screen and on your report. You can see automatically screenshot. Simply you can use your finger and draw a circle because we don't have a collaboration option on there. Simply click here and you can type here your report. I'm gonna write. You can pause the video and copy my report. Simply you can click on send and you can close your tag. Within 20 doing a report within 24 hours, you can see the collaboration option on your Instagram. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any question about this tutorial, so you can tap on comment section. I will answer you.